Let's be honest for a second. You are tired. But not the kind of tired that sleep can fix. You are fried. Every morning you wake up, and before your feet even hit the floor, you reach for it. The phone, the screen, the needle. You doom scroll on TikTok for 30 minutes. You check Instagram. You check your stocks. You are flooding your brain with cheap dopamine before you've even brushed your teeth. You are a junkie. I'm not judging you. We are all in the same cage. But have you noticed? Music doesn't give you chills anymore. Movies feel too slow, so you check your phone every 5 minutes. Even simple conversations feel boring. You have lost the ability to just be. Welcome back to MindBlack. Today, we are going to perform a factory reset on your brain. We are going to talk about the dopamine trap and why modern life is designed to keep you weak, distracted, and numb. Put the phone down. Do it. Let's start the detox. To understand your addiction, you need to understand the rat. Decades ago, American scientists ran an experiment. They put a rat in a cage with a lever. If the rat pressed the lever, it got a direct hit of dopamine to the brain. Guess what happened? The rat didn't eat. It didn't sleep. It didn't mate. It just pressed the lever. Over and over and over. Until it dropped dead from starvation, with food sitting right next to it. Look around you. Look at the subway, the restaurants, your own living room. People are glued to their glowing rectangles. Swipe, ding, swipe, ding. We are just rats with better smartphones. Here is the science. Your brain has a baseline for pleasure. When you binge watch Netflix, eat junk food, or watch adult content, you spike your dopamine way above the baseline. What goes up must come down. After the spike, your dopamine drops below baseline. That is why you feel like trash afterwards. That is why you feel that brain fog. You aren't depressed. You are in withdrawal. In America, we are obsessed with more. More content, more sugar, more noise. We call it hustle culture or living your best life. I call it slavery. Silicon Valley engineers, some of the smartest people on Earth, are paid millions of dollars to hack your psychology. They know exactly what color of red to make the notification badge to make you click. They know exactly how to trigger your fear of missing out. They are hijacking your survival instincts to sell you ads. You are not the customer. You are the product. Think about your goals. You want to get rich? You want to get fit? Those things require delayed gratification. Working hard now for a reward later. But your phone offers instant gratification. Why work for 6 months to build a business when you can get a dopamine hit in 6 seconds on TikTok? This is why you are stuck. This is why you can't focus. You are trading your future for a cheap buzz. Now, I want to try something different. I want you to experience the void. Close your eyes. Really, close them. The screen will stay black. You won't miss anything. Imagine you are in a white room. There is nothing in this room. No phone, no computer, no people, no noise. Just a chair. You sit in the chair. At first, you feel panic. Your hand twitches, reaching for a phone that isn't there. You feel bored. The boredom feels like an itch under your skin. You want to run. But you stay. 1 hour passes. 2 hours pass. The itch starts to fade. The noise in your head starts to settle down like dust. Silence. Suddenly, you notice things. You notice the pattern of the light on the wall. You have an idea for your business, a real idea. You remember a memory from childhood you had forgotten. Your brain is finally breathing. This is the monk mode. This is the reset. Open your eyes. You can get this feeling back, but you have to go cold turkey. Here is the MindBlack challenge. For the next 24 hours, embrace the boredom. Turn your phone to grayscale mode, black and white. Delete the apps that drain you. Sit in a room and do nothing for 20 minutes. It will hurt. You will hate it. But on the other side of that boredom is the life you actually want to live. Stop being the rat. Be the scientist. Subscribe if you are ready to wake up. Now, I'm going to leave you with 1 minute of pure silence. Don't click away. Just sit and be. Start now.